Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. So many products we have, such as we have the injector, the control valve, the pumps, repair kit, SCV valve, etc. So today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve. Let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages of this control valve. It's the blue VCI and the roast bag. Here, this is the product SKU, and the product code is F00RJ02056. And by the way, Caitlin here, I want to mention that for this kind of logo labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. Now let's open it. And inside of it is the transparent bottles. It's very hard, it can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, that's the valve assembly. Let's take a look. And for this one, we not only sell in the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like this separate valve cap and the valve rod. If you look carefully, find the surface on the valve cap, it with the coating figures, and this the valve rod. For the product, we have the quality guaranteed. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, it's okay. Return or exchange it, all is okay. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. That's all the tips I want to share with you. So much for the introduction. And at last, if you still have other questions, please leave the comments below these videos. And Caitlin, after I see that, I will reply you. At last, remember follow us at the YouTube or the Facebook account, and you can also search on our website. And also we have the WhatsApp, the email address, and the phone numbers. Just want to feel free to contact us. Thank you so much, and so much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. See you.